Okay, guys, time to do the magic. The magic. Ugh. Okay. The English is the gone. Okay, guys, this is the final product. Oh, the English, right? Yeah. Welcome back to Just Popping, and I'm back with another video. Yes, this week it was Mother's Day, and I would like to say Happy Mother's Day. Actually, yesterday was Mother's Day, and I would like to say Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful women. We appreciate you very much. Right. So, that was just a piece of all the things up, but nevertheless, today I'll be making a milkshake. It's an Oreo milkshake, but with some rum and raisin in it. So, if you haven't already, right, guys, hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and turn on those notifications. So, guys, in front of me I have my ingredients that I will be using right here. Apologies to my father right now because he wanted me to make one for him, especially for him, and I'll save some for him. I just make some and leave the rest for him. Yes, so my ingredients are as follows. We have this is just ordinary, you can choose any type of vanilla ice cream that you want. This is just what my parents bought, and the Oreo that I will be using. Yeah, guys, don't blame me. I opened it. Yes, I opened it because I wanted to eat some. Yeah, and then we have the rum and raisin syrup. Again, use any brand that you want to, but this Oreos you have to use any kind of milk, even if it's ShopRite, Shakers, you can pay whichever brand, but I'm using Clover right here. So let me not waste any more time, guys. Let me just jump into the video. Okay, let's get this milkshake on the road and finish this video. Not as quick, but yeah, let me just get this out of the way because we're first gonna start with the ice cream. Guys, I don't have a scoop, right? I don't have a scoop. I'm just gonna use ordinary spoons to scoop the ice cream into the mixer. So guys, as you guys can see right here, it's freezing cold because of the ice cream obviously, but this looks delicious. I don't want it to spill out, but it looks delicious. Now I'm gonna do something like this, as you guys can see, like the Oreo. I don't know what's this. They gave this ingredient, so I'm gonna try and do this. Just wish me luck. Let me just get this out of the way. I don't know, should I do everything? I'll just keep one. Guys, who needs McDonald's if you can do this by yourself? Yeah, come on. Like seriously, come on, guys. I'm just gonna throw in the last one. Because I was about to eat it, then I saw the Oreo crumbs was not enough. I'm just gonna add the last one. Yeah, check it. Just like McDonald's, guys. Okay, guys, time to do the final product. Yes, and show you guys the whole milkshake coming together as one. As a yes. I'm just gonna. I don't know if this is gonna stick. Yes, sticking to the glass. Let's go. Some honey for your. Okay, I'm not going there, but I'm just gonna add a little bit. Guys, I need to get that already. You guys won't understand like the smell that I'm getting right here. It's different. I'm just garnishing it. A little bit on top. Big on the top. And adding a little bit of rum and raisin again. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. A homemade milkshake, an Oreo one with a little bit of rum and raisin. So guys, if you haven't already, right, hit that subscribe button. So there you have it, guys. The rum and raisin Oreo. I don't know what to call it actually, because I just keep on making these things and I don't have a name for them. But there you have it, guys. I'll just give it a name. The Rum&Raisin OREO Milkshake. How does it taste? I don't know. How does it smell? Delicious. Like, It just needs a cherry on top or something else on top. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna go get some. No, I'm not gonna go get some sprinkles. That's for another video. Yes, I have something in store for you guys. But nevertheless, if you haven't already, right, hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and guys, turn on your notifications. Yes, yes, so, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.